Okay, good day. I would like to express that if given an opportunity to be part of the board of SAMIA, I would want to take it to another level in ensuring that SAMIA becomes relevant and it will be able to achieve its intended goals and objectives of being an institution that promotes learning and an M&E culture, but also to remain relevant and important in Africa as a whole or the world, we're contributing to Africa as well as to Africa's Agenda 2063 of a prosperous Africa, a peaceful Africa. So I will definitely work together with the board to ensure that there is good accountability that is promoted through M&E across African states, across Africa, South Africa as a whole, looking at the three spheres of government and how they can become effective. So that is one part that I would want to be involved as part of the board. Thank you.